Wow, such a beautiful landscape. Look at this view, man. So unreal. Me with the view. Let's go and see what they are doing there. Good morning. What are you guys searching? Snail? Oh, can you please show me? Hurry. It's 4:52 in the morning and it's a new day, new ride. We are still waiting for a friend. Our meetup time was 4:30, but he's half an hour late. Nevertheless, we're still gonna go. We're gonna go to Yamuna Bank today. It's still dark. 5 of us will be going. This is my cousin Dosu. Yeah, his name is Dosu, my cousin. And this is another guy.
Hello.
From Samai. Daza from Samai. And Mr. Dopao. Sambe from Liai. Hopefully it will be another memorable day, another memorable ride. Keep watching the video. We will try to update from here and there on the road at the Yamuna Bank, or any interesting footage that we might get on the way. This is the guy, see. That is the guy, the lead cover. Bro, a new helmet. This is how he looks like under the mask. It's getting brighter now. Dopo, Daza, Doso, and Reslo. Sasho! Let's go. Tum bachale, tum. Sun is slowly coming up. Why so chill, bro? Why so chill? Right, pull up, alright. Hey, Nam rồi. Chào ở đây là rồi. Hello nào. À cha, đây tao có mà. Đây mua. Anh ơi. Hello. Tao thấy ở nào. À. Anh này tao bắt tâm nè. Anh xử lý tao bắt tâm này. Đây có đây mua. Ok. Hello, cái là sao? Phải right pull lại bọn nó. It happens. Golden sunrise. It's coming up. Aesthetic view. Woo. This feels so free. free bird now. Golden sunrise. Finally, we got the golden sunrise. What a view. We have reached Maranibak. We have reached Maranibak. Almost there, guys. After crossing this highway, few more distance to cover by off-road. Right here. Bang ho la de. Dai de. Inka ja. Hey, sasa. Harta pula dia. Oh. Dana. So this is it, guys. We'll enter from here all the way to the Yamuna bank, just like that. Let's go again. Kalau sih, wait. Tiêu điêu chào đâu. Đấy. Sau đó là y vậy đó, sao tôi bảo vậy đó. Tiêu điêu chào đâu. Đấy. Chưa cố rồi. Hai tuần nữa tôi phải lấy rồi. This is our destination. Tu. Tu. Cawan lemon grass dia. Tadi kata nak casu coba em deh. Kalau pulau kai kau tu we used to make tea with this grass. The aroma is so good. Kai kau lewu? Hey, hey. Oh. Wow, such a beautiful landscape. I'm gonna take a break from here. Let them go ahead. Huh? Isn't this cool? Look at this view, man. So unreal. Me with the view. Let's go and see what they are doing there. Good morning. What are you guys searching? Snail? Oh. Can you please show me? Arey, this is something new to us. Is there fish? Any idea? The small ones or the big ones? Oh. Hey. Cái gì kìa? View ngon lắm nó vào bên mà. Nó xích tìm mà ha.
Cảm ơn đấy.
Snail view shape. Đấy ngon là có khó phụ tôi nhỏ. Sao mà? Xí tê chứ là xí bánh mà. Được rồi đó. Go and swim, bro. This is not the Yamuna yet, so we'll still go to the Yamuna river. Chalo. Excuse me, bro. Hello, bro. Where's the Yamuna river? That part? Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. Sattu, good morning. आ जाओ, साथ में आ जाओ. हाले बताऊँ मुझे वो. Grass pa ko tasin eh. Excuse me, bro. Thank you. Hi. Woo! That's the arrow. That's the arrow. Tại sao tao vậy? Finally. ai bị lại khổ bự tung đam nhìn thấy mà chứ अच्छा जी था तेरा हाँ है पो मैं साइक्लिस्ट में सीधे से दिल्ली This is the river, Yamuna river. This is it. So big, so beautiful, so elegant. Just looking like a wow. Jadi kita bahaya, jadi papula bro. Monsoon ready ko je. Cui tong labi ko papula lima vekana to emza. Catfish ta pelo pawe se. Huh? Whoa! Reward for the morning workout. This is the last and final view. Anything to say?
Hungry.
Ni hai mar ni bagi view ma. My fishing so article on so so.
Kan vi snö då.
Mo snö du går le holong oi. Oh, fishing net ni tu lai tu ni fishing so ban de. Te lo hol di be bo. Oh. Sei be na.
Khao ko si ba.
Kha du da te da.
Ko tu du da bu ba. Du da kha khabat de da no kha de da do. Lo bo. Snö ko te zeng ni ha do. Ma po le te ngo ba ma.
Tu si be ra.
Ma ko tu ta ko ni mo sa. First pala.
Silencer. This is it, guys. This is the end. We started the ride exactly at 5 a.m. and now it's 6:40. So it took some time to reach here, but it's worth it. We will head back to Maranibag and have breakfast. Then we'll head back to our own respective places. I hope we'll meet again for another ride. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.